HDMI is the best connectivity solution for your home entertainment setup. HDMI reduces installation time and eliminates cable clutter. We will be illustrating this point in this video. The following are the composite component video cables and the separate audio cables for your digital source devices and your high-definition TV. As you can see, you do have many different connectivity options available from component, composite, as well as HDMI. We are now setting up your high-definition DVD player. First, we are connecting the audio cables, the left and right. Next, we are using component cables for video signal connectivity to your TV. As you can see, using two separate cables, one for audio and another for video, can be cumbersome as well as time-consuming. For the PS3, we are now using composite cables. Composite cables are not recommended as they do not support high-definition video. And again, it is cumbersome as well as time-consuming. Plus, it creates a cable clutter mess. Now we will use iOgear's HDMI cable to connect your DVD and PS3 to your TV. iOgear's HDMI cable provides the cleanest and highest resolution quality video for your viewing pleasure. As you can see, HDMI is the cleanest and simplest setup solution for your home entertainment center.